In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about auto insurance. We'll cover topics such as types of auto insurance, how to determine what coverage you need, and how to save money on your auto insurance. We'll also explain the different types of coverage available and provide tips for finding the right policy. By the end of this video, you'll be prepared to make an informed decision when shopping for auto insurance. Hello everyone, my name is Adam and welcome to our video on understanding auto insurance. Auto insurance is an important purchase for anyone who owns a car, and yet it can be a complicated and confusing topic. Today, we'll be discussing the basics of auto insurance and what you should consider when shopping for a policy. We'll cover topics such as types of auto insurance, how to determine what coverage you need, and how to save money on your auto insurance. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of auto insurance and be prepared to make an informed decision when shopping for a policy. Types of auto insurance. Let's start by discussing the types of auto insurance available. There are four main types: liability, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Liability coverage is required in most states and pays for damages and injuries you caused to other people and property while driving. This includes medical costs, legal fees, and property damage. Collision coverage pays for damage to your own car resulting from an accident with another car or object. Comprehensive coverage pays for damage to your car due to events other than an accident, such as theft, fire, vandalism, or hail. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage pays for damages and injuries caused by someone who has no insurance or not enough insurance. Determining coverage. Now that you understand the types of coverage available, let's discuss how to determine what coverage you need. The first step is to review your state's minimum liability coverage requirements. These vary from state to state, so you'll need to do some research to make sure you meet the requirements. Once you know the minimum requirements, you'll need to determine if you need additional coverage. For example, if you have an older car, you may want to consider dropping collision coverage. If you live in an area prone to theft or vandalism, then comprehensive coverage may be a good choice. Finally, you'll need to consider your budget and decide what coverage you can afford. Be sure to shop around to compare prices and get the best deal. Saving money on auto insurance. Now that you know how to determine what coverage you need, let's talk about how to save money on auto insurance. The first step is to look for discounts. Many insurers offer discounts for things like having multiple policies with the same company, having a good driving record, or taking a defensive driving course. Be sure to ask about any available discounts so you can save as much as possible. You can also save money by increasing your deductible. A higher deductible means you will pay more out of pocket for repairs, but it can also lead to lower premiums. Conclusion. We hope that this video has given you a better understanding of auto insurance and how to make an informed decision when shopping for a policy. Remember, auto insurance is an important purchase, so be sure to do your research and compare policies to get the best deal. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.